Decide whether the statement is true or false. 4 times the quantity negative 20 plus 7 times negative 2 is less than or equal to negative 135. To determine whether the statement is true or false, we'll first need to simplify the left side of this inequality. To do that, we'll follow the order of operations, working inside the grouping symbols first and performing the multiplication first. We have 4 times negative 20 plus 7 times negative 2, which is plus negative 14, is less than or equal to negative 135. Now we add inside the grouping symbols. Negative 20 plus negative 14 is negative 34. So we have 4 times negative 34 is less than or equal to negative 135. 4 times negative 34 is negative 136. So we have negative 136 is less than negative 135. Negative 136 is to the left of negative 135 on a number line, so this is a true statement.